Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset all good luck settings on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. To do that, the easiest way will be simply resetting all settings on your device. So I'm gonna show you how to do it first. Let's unlock the phone and let's go to settings on the smartphone. In settings, select general management. Then in general management, you're gonna have to navigate to reset option. Then in reset option, select reset all settings. Select reset settings. This will not erase any data from your smartphone. Will not delete any personal files that you have on it, but it will basically reset all the following settings. So all the security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps, including Good Luck app. Now, this will surely get rid of all the changes that you applied with the Good Luck application, but so we can not go that radical. Instead, we can open the Good Luck application on our device. Just let me find it real quick. Here it is. And in Good Luck application, we can go to U tab and then disable all these settings that we have in effect. Tap disable all, and this will disable most settings, but some elements will stay, and we have different ways to get rid of these effects. So of course the resetting settings, all settings on your smartphone will do, but we can also just go into the plugin for which we want to disable a setting and disable it just by switching the toggle to the left next to the main toggle. And for custom, for example, clock faces, we can simply select the current clock face and change it to a normal style, not changed, and then tap done and then apply the changes. We can also just uninstall some of these extensions, which will result in disabling their effects. And so that's basically, and that's all of these changes will eventually just reset your settings to default ones, and will turn off all the Good Luck settings applied on your device. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.